So in this video, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make an epoxy cement countertop. That's my friend Donovan right there. We went to carpentry school together, linked up. I was like, yo, let's get our hands dirty and get on this project, bro. So as you see, we're starting up with the frame. Then after this, we're gonna make sure it's nice and square. Screw it down. So now we're just gonna cut the rebar. Rebar is always holding that concrete, make it stronger. Probably really don't need it for a countertop, but anyway. So this is the measurement of the sink. I made sure to make it exact out of some wood, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and get it halfway by measuring halfway on everything. Making that line, screwing it down. Look at the Backyard Bill's long sleeve shirt. The reason why I'm doing this, guys, is you don't want it to be too much of a smooth surface. You want the epoxy to grip on to something. So you want to abrade the surface just a little bit so that the epoxy can grip on to it. You want that epoxy to grip on to this. Everybody gone, everybody eat. I've been on my gun on my 2 feet. duct taping out. Nice and easy. Good job. Alright guys, so I already did tape off all the boundaries. Always paint them first, because if you try to stick this tape on bare concrete, it's not gonna stick. Then it's gonna flow over, spill on the ground. So learn from my mistakes. So we got everything boarded off, painted, and now we just cut this trim. This is the last piece on the bed. This is gonna go up under there. Look, it looks better already. So just stay tuned, guys. The pour is about to start. See how most was gathering right there? See, it's self-leveling. That was the low spot. So we ain't really have to stress about getting too big. Customer just wanted the opportunity to design her own countertop. So I had got everything set up already. White pearl with some gold. Put some white cabinets, gold hinges. So some white pearl match the cabinets, some gold hinges. Here goes the gold epoxy right there. Sometimes you can't see the countertops you want in stores. So, you know, it's just nice to make them yourself. So I'm gonna let you guys see the finished product in just a few. That's way better. Full kitchen remodel. Cabinets done. Custom countertop done. Just take a look at what Backyard Builds has to offer. Whatever you want, you can get it. I don't even know how to say the word no. I can't even say it. There is no N-word. It's yes. It's yes. Can you have this? Yes. You can have whatever you want, client. I'll never tell you you can't have nothing. Now look in peace. Everything custom. See them doors? Wait till this handsome man makes the camera go back up. Hold on. Beautiful. God, all I can say is golly. When the last time y'all heard somebody say golly? Look at them doors right there. Them glass doors, I did them. Everything built from scratch, for real. I'm shocked myself. I'm more shocked than y'all. Now, can you just honestly look at that? The solution is the backyard builder.